Social media is one of the fastest way or fastest platforms for business growth these days. And there is already this testimonials of people who use social media to boost their businesses. And the commonest social media platform people use is the Facebook page. So we want to today do a quick run through of how to create a Facebook page. Now, there is a difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook profile. A Facebook profile is that common one that you see around that people use, that you yourself will create first when you want to create an account. The Facebook profile is what you're going to create first. So later, you can now then create a Facebook page from a Facebook profile. I am Hamida Adenuga, and today I'm going to take us through how to create a Facebook page. So I'm going to be using my Google Chrome for that. Google Chrome, because I'm going to be using a desktop version, not my mobile app, because there are lots of features that you have on a on the desktop version that you cannot get on the mobile app. So that is why I make use of the Google Chrome to do that. So I'm going to be entering the website facebook.com www.facebook.com, and it loads my Facebook profile for me. So I'm going to go to this three dots menu and click on this desktop sites. Click on desktop sites, and it's going to load out the it in a desktop site version. When you log into your Facebook using a PC, this is how it's going to show. So now what I actually do is I go to this three dots menu. I don't use the normal Google Chrome, but for the sake of this recording tutorial, that's why I'm using it. Usually, this is what I use. I use incognito tab for it because most times it will redirect me back to my mobile app. But luckily for this session, I think it's going smoothly. So we are going to flow along with it, and we hope that it takes us to the end of this session. So now this is my Facebook feed. This is of my Facebook profile. So now you want to zoom and go up. So I'm going to be clicking on this profile picture. This is my profile picture. And then I click on this, and I'm going to go down here, create new page or profile. Because I am creating a page, not a profile, so I'm going to be clicking on public page, click on next, then click on get started. Now it has brought me here, so I'm going to input my Facebook page name. I want to put uh this, right? What is the category? We have beauty, cosmetics, and personal care. Then we have health and beauty. Or let's see what wellness will bring us. Wellness, health and wellness, health and beauty. Let's use health and wellness. And then you can put something here. Okay, I think we have three T's. So just make sure that you are filling in the necessary space. So you go to the bottom of that page and click on create page. It's at the bottom. So we let it load for it to get created. All right, so it has been created. Then we click on, we will see the next page. It is bringing us to where we are going to fill in details, your phone number, your website location, how many hours do you open, and all of those details. Then because I'm not interested in doing that yet, or for now I don't really need this page, so I click on next. Then the next one, add a profile picture, add a cover photo. You can do that. Add an action button. This action button is which one do you want them to um see on your page. Which action do you want them to take when they see your page? Do you want them to sign up? Do you want them to start an order? Do you want them to view your shop or anything? Let's say, okay, we want them to view our shop, or we want them to send us send message or call now. This is one that is there presently. So let's just leave it like that and click on next, click on save. You can always come back to that and change it in the settings. So here, this, okay, your phone number again is asking for it. Then click on done. So now another thing that I want to show us is how to set up your
username, how to set up your username, because it's something else that people find difficult. I see a lot of questions on how do I change my username, or how do I set up my my Facebook username. So you go back to this profile picture, click on it, go to settings and privacy, go to settings. Now this sidebar, you go to page setup. This is page setup. So you click on page setup. Here we have name. Click on view. This is it. This is name. This is username. So which one do you here? The username, it's saying you have not set a username. So you click on edit and you add your username. It's going to be in all lowercase, oriflame dot glow getters, right? And then click on save changes. When you click on save changes, it's going to bring a pop-up instruction to put your password. So this is going to be the password for your main profile, for your personal profile. And then you click on submit and then you are done. So but I'm not interested in doing that yet, or for now. So that is why I'm not putting anything there. So that's basically how to do it. And for name as well, you can edit and it's going to take you through the same step. You change the name and then it asks for your Facebook password, and then you click on submit, you save changes. So I hope I've been able to do justice to this issue of creating a page and how to set your Facebook username, how to change it whenever you want to change it, even though it has a time frame of when you can change it. So, but then this is how you go through the process. Sometimes it gets changed, the settings gets changed, the layout gets changed, but this is the basic route you are going to take. Whatever way they get to change, you come to settings, you look for repeat setup, so and you change it. So thank you for allowing me to do this for you, and I'll be glad to answer more questions and do more tutorials for us. Bye.